friends, I'm your host and host Astha and you're watching your favorite show, What's Up TV. So let's start our special episode for this week. Special because we will be showcasing 4 most desiring actors of television industry on our show today. Yes, this is the Sexiest Man Alive photo shoot for People's Magazine, where all 4 of them are looking extremely hot. So let's have a look.
It was fun getting dirty. अपने आप को गंदे करने में कुछ ज़्यादा ही मज़ा आया आज, इसके लिए ये हालत हो गई है. Yeah, I believe dirty is sexy, and that's how we entertain people. So yeah, we had to get a little dirty. And yeah, amused. It's a sweet thought. I believe the sexiest I have got is about my attitude. Rest all I believe just comes in a package.
Well, so far it's been fun. I mean, I wrecked his Ganji, but it's a really good shot. We've used smoke, we've used really nice light, and it's an amazing location that we've come up with. So it's been really good so far.
It was truly a pleasure to shoot for People's Magazine for the Sexiest Man Alive. And yes, it's a huge compliment and an honor. Thank you.
वेरी नाइस क्योंकि पीपल मैगज़ीन एक ऐसा मैगज़ीन है जिसमें जैसे मुझे जब मालूम चला कि हमें इसके लिए फ़ोटो शूट करना है तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड था और आज फाइनली हम शूट कर रहे हैं. प्लस इसका जो स्टाइल है जो इसके लुक्स होते हैं ये बहुत ही और मैगज़ीन से बहुत ही अलग होता है. बैकग्राउंड जो हमने पकड़ा था बहुत ही रगेड लुक रखा है बेसिकली और वेट लुक रखा है और जो डेनिम्स पहने हैं और जो लुक है ओवरऑल जो लुक है बहुत ही रगेड और बहुत टफ लुक दिया है और बैकग्राउंड भी इसीलिए बहुत ऐसा गैराज वाला लुक दिया है और पीछे जो फोक था वो बहुत ही ऐड कर रहा था उस लुक को इनहांस करने में. सब लोग बहुत कुछ बोलते हैं कि गुरमीत आपकी आईज बहुत अच्छी है या आपकी बॉडी बहुत अच्छी है. दो आई एम वेरी शाई गाय तो मुझे बहुत शर्म आती है, मैं हंस देता हूँ. दो मुझे लगता है कि ऑफ कोर्स जब कोई आपसे बहुत प्यार करता है उसको हर एक चीज़ अच्छी लगती है आपकी. तो डेफिनेटली ऑफ कोर्स मैं भी कोशिश करता हूँ कि अपने आप को फिट रखूँ और ताकि सब लोग एंटरटेन होते रहें और मुझे देख के उनको अच्छा लगे.
That's like the best I could put it because it's kind of embarrassing when someone calls you sexy, at least to me. I'm a bit shy. So, yeah, but it feels good. The best compliment that I've got. I know I've sometimes heard good things about my smile. That's all what I've heard. Yeah, it's always fun. I mean, it's like back in my modeling days, so I feel good about it. I think it just fits in right with the concept and I think it's just the apt place to shoot.
Well, definitely feels really nice. This is actually my second edition that I'm doing of the Sexiest Man Alive. As much as I don't think that I'm very sexy, but I think people makes me feel really good about myself by putting me in the magazine. I absolutely enjoy getting dirty. I absolutely enjoy doing this because television is very chaka-chak, with the whole clean, good boy sort of image. So this is a superb change. According to me, what's the sexiest thing about me? I actually don't know. I'm pretty lost. That's what I'm saying. I never thought that I was sexy. I'm usually tagged with sweet and cute and very unsexy compliments. So I don't know what's sexy about me. Now that I have a really nice smile, and I think my smile works for me at times. I had a blast actually. This was by far the quickest photo shoot I've ever done. This was shot by Rohan Shrestha. We did a really nice grungy, sort of like you can see my look. I've got this new hair that I'm trying. It's like a quiff. So not a lot of people do this here. So I thought, let me try something different. And we've got like a wheelbarrow that I'm pushing. Very effortless, very suave, cool sort of shot. And believe me, Rohan's done an insane job on it.
Time to have a look at which celeb have you selected this week to give your love in the form of gift and a card.
ये देखो कौन आ गया India Forums. I mean, it's been ages doing an interview with you guys. I'm so excited. Back on India Forums with a bang. ये है gift segment. तो क्रिस्टू को gifts मिल रहे हैं. Katie. It has for the 4 of our picture. पीछे मेरे अलग अलग स्माइली फेसेस है. जैसे कि BBM के स्माइली फेसेस होते हैं, वैसे क्रिस्टू के स्माइली फेसेस अलग अलग है. It's some are talented, you are both. May you achieve more success ahead. Congratulations on this success. It is time to party after all the hard work. Congratulations on completing 1 year of EHMMBH. It has been a pleasure watching you on screen. You are a fabulous actress with expressions that could kill, a smile so sweet that it could make the whole world smile, and big eyes. Yes, you caught me. Big eyes with so much depth. I wish you more success with each and every day that comes, and hope that all your dreams get fulfilled. Keep up your great work, and we love you a lot. Keep smiling and stay blessed. From Sumi, Fatima and Fatima. Oh, you guys never stop. Thank you guys so much. You all don't stop at 200, 300, and there are many more to come. So I'm expecting one every time. Thank you so much, Sumi, Fatima and Fatima. Thank you a lot. This is really sweet. This is a letter from Sumi, Fatima and Fatima. We are from Gujarat. Your biggest fans ever and are watching EHMMBH. Yes, and I remember on the first year completion, you guys were the first ones to send the cake with all of our faces on it. And we were cutting everybody's face and eating. So thank you guys so much. Really sweet. We love your long hair, your grey eyes. I'm right now not wearing my lenses, so you can see my grey eyes. Thank you, really. Thank you so much, guys. You all are always on time, never fail. But there's a little gift for me also. As much as I try to go on a diet, you guys never stop. I want to go on a diet, guys. Don't do this to me. Thank you so much. Muh meetha ho jaye. This is from Veenal Jain. It doesn't say Cadbury. It says Crystal, especially for you with my photo on it. और पीछे लिखा है Code is trust and care, packed forever. And best before Earth meets the sky. MRP is love. This is what I love the most. Thank you so much. I'm sure these are chocolates, right, inside? Thank you so much. This is really sweet, Veenal Jain. Thanks a lot. Something very creative and something very new. No one's ever done this before. Thank you. Me jumping in Goa. I love this picture. Wow. These are actually a lot of cards, gifts, photos. These are really sweet. Someone has really taken a lot of effort to make this, and I'm going to find out who. Ooh, Mama. From Umama, Jusleen and Avesta. Thank you so much, guys. I'm going to take a look at every picture Aram se when I get the time. Deepika and me. This is very sweet. My mom and me, Madhura and me. Oh, there's a letter. Dear Crystal, what's up? It's a pleasure writing this letter to you. I'm a very big fan of yours. Love you millions. Your smile is $1 million smile. Please reply to my message on Facebook. I'll be waiting for your message. A big cheek kiss and a hug. Mwah. Lots of love, Mama. Vora. Thank you so much, girl. Very sweet of you, and I love it. I'm just gonna have a good look at it. Thank you guys so much for sending all these gifts and cards and messages. It's really sweet to read all of these and feel so loved. Really, genuinely, thank you so much, guys.
You can also send us your gift and card for your favorite celeb at the following address. Let's make you meet dance guru Terence, who is sharing his fashion statement with us.
मेरे लिए तो इट्स नॉट अबाउट ब्रांड्स. मैं कोई भी चीज़ पहन सकता हूँ अनब्रांडेड. वैसे मेरा एक डिज़ाइनर है संदीप, जो मेरे लिए कपड़े बनाता है. ये उसी ने बनाए हैं. और आई गो विथ थिंग्स दैट जो भी मुझे पसंद आए. फिर अगर शायद वो ब्रांड हो, फिर मैं सोचूंगा कि यार इसका मतलब इज इट नेसेसरी pay so much, and if it's really valued, the quality is good, then yeah, maybe. Otherwise, me is a jeans and a t-shirt person. क्रिएटिव इंसान हूँ, तो थोड़ी बहुत क्रिएटिविटी मैं अपने कपड़े में भी लेके आता हूँ. आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी कंफर्टेबल इन व्हाट यू वेयर. कुछ स्टाइल्स कुछ लोगों के लिए बनी हैं, कुछ बॉडी टाइप्स के लिए बनी हैं, कुछ पर्सनालिटीज़ के लिए बनी हैं. सो यू शुड गो विथ व्हाट इज सूट्स योर पर्सनालिटी, व्हाट इज सूट्स योर एटीट्यूड एंड द वर्क प्लेस. सही जगह पे सही कपड़े पहनो. रिलैक्स इवनिंग में आप रिलैक्स कपड़े पहनोगे. In a disco you wear disco, in an office you go to wear office, but you can always dress up smart. तो थोड़ा वो अगर आप शर्ट पहन रहे हैं, तो if you have a nice fit body, then you can wear a slim fit shirt, tapered slightly. Body lines को अगर आपकी अगर कमर is you have got a very big hip, then you can wear the shirt outside. So it depends on a lot of what kind of body type you have, and you got to mix and match. थोड़ा बहुत mix and match, थोड़ा बहुत creativity. पर्सनालिटी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू नीड टू हैव द राइट एटीट्यूड. मैं कोई भी कपड़ा पहनूं, मुझे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता कि वो ब्रांड है या नहीं है. आई नीड टू फील गुड. अगर मैं अंदर से खुश हूँ, तो देन दैट रिफ्लेक्ट्स. Well, I just finished Hindustan Ke Narbaz on Life OK. It was a fabulous show with kids. No competition for the first time on television. It was a fun space. बहुत खुशी हुई वो शो जज करके. And now I'm looking for a new and exciting show. Keeping fingers crossed if things all work out well. I will be soon on television again. And DID 4, for all those DID fans, is going to come in October 13th. So watch out for this space.
I hope you all must have liked and enjoyed our show. So don't forget to send us your comments and suggestions at whatsapptv@india-forums.com. I'll see you next week. Till then, take care. Goodbye.